Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you this green eyeshadow look. I was inspired by the spring colors and for today's look I have used this palette here. This is the Glamo Camo palette by Essence. You can use any eyeshadow palette that you have. For this eye look I have used the green eyeshadows and some of the brown eyeshadows, and this is what I have done. I hope that you guys like it. Let me know in the comments if you like green eyeshadows. And also if you want to see more eye looks with color, share this video with a friend that likes green eyeshadows. Let's start with this beautiful palette, and the first eyeshadow that I'm going to take is this one here. It is a light golden champagne eyeshadow with a shimmery finish and it is called Cinnamon Sugar. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I use this on my brow bone. I start by placing my brush on the arch of my brows and then I'm going back and forth on my brow bone. After that I take the brush 221 by Zoeva and this eyeshadow here, it is called Maple and it is a soft matte brown eyeshadow. I want to use this into my crease as my base for all the other green eyeshadows. Let's start with the green eyeshadows. I'm very excited to use them and I'm going to take this one here, the deep green eyeshadow that we have. It is so pretty and it has a matte finish with brush 225 by Zoeva. I'm buffing that into the crease. I'm using a second layer to make the color more intense. I'm taking the brush E54 by Sigma and the same eyeshadow and I place it on the outer part of my eyelid. I am also taking the color into the crease. With no product on my brush, I'm blending the edges. Let's continue with this little brush by Urban Decay and this eyeshadow here, this is called Halloween Town and it is a shimmery green eyeshadow. With the smaller side of the brush, I take the product and I smudge it on my lower lash line. With the same brush, I continue with this eyeshadow. It is called Corn Maze. That's a difficult word to say. And this one is a very light yellow eyeshadow. It has just a little bit of sheen. It is a satin eyeshadow. It's not very shiny. I smudge it in the inner part of my lower lash line to lighten up my eye look. After that, I'm going to take again eyeshadow Maple. With this one, I'm going to diffuse the edges of the lower lash line and this way the green eyeshadows will be more vibrant. I take again this brush by Sigma E54 and this gorgeous eyeshadow that we have here, it is such a unique color and I love how it looks. It is like a green yellow shimmery eyeshadow and the name of it is Pumpkin Patch. I'm pressing this on the inner part of my eyelid. To make this eyeshadow pop, I also take some product with my fingertip. After that, I'm taking this brush, it is an angled brush, and I'm taking this eyeshadow here that it's called Coffee, but it is very black, so black coffee. And this one is a matte eyeshadow, as you can see, and I push this on the outer V of my eyes. With brush 225 by Zoeva, I'm taking the Olive Hue eyeshadow and also eyeshadow Sweat. I use them together into my crease. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I'm taking this eyeshadow. I'm pressing this in the inner corner. I'm going to apply liquid liner by Catrice Cosmetics in Dating Joe Black. In my waterline, I apply a black eye pencil by Tommy G Cosmetics. To blend my natural lashes with the false lashes, I am using the Glam & Doll Boost Lash Growth Volume Mascara by Catrice. For my face, I'm going to use the Hey Cheeks palette by Essence. I'm going to take this shade here to contour my face with brush 109 by MAC. For blush, I'm going to take this shade here and the brush 4 by BH Cosmetics. I'm also diffusing my blush into the contouring shade. The lashes that I have applied today are the Alexis from the AOA brand from the website Shop Miss A, and they are very long. I like them. With brush 40 by Sigma, I'm going to take this highlighting shade. It is a light champagne color and it looks so beautiful. I like this palette a lot. It looks a little bit odd because of this shade here. It is like a shimmery blush or a colorful highlighter, not very sure. All the other shades are very wearable and I like this highlighter so much. Look at the sheen, so reflective, so beautiful. I love it on my nose. I love it on my cheekbones. Now we need to find something for the lips. I always forget to find before I start the video, so I need to go and check some lipsticks. Glossy lips it is! On my lips I'm going to use the Butter Gloss by NYX Cosmetics. This is in the shade Glazy Days. You can watch here how to apply eyeliner, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!